do not have any announcements to make tonight because there is none. I had a long, we were discussing, I was with PDP guys and we were discussing the platforms of government that the candidates of the PDP and everybody would offer to the people of the Republic of the Philippines. Wala akong announcement ngayon as to, maybe you'd want to know whether I would run for president or not. Wala akong maisagot dyan. Well, I've been saying that I'm not running for president. Talagang gusto pipilit ninyo. So, I have no categorical statement to make as of tonight because I am running for speed in a time tunnel. The deadline is fast approaching. I have yet to see a glimmer of that light at the end of the tunnel. If Inday is not running for the mayorship, which I have asked her to do, maybe I'd be forced to. I cannot lose my political base. Importante kasi kung may political base ka. Pag nawala yan, parang airport yan. Kailangan may airport ka kasi pag lumipad ka, tapos nawala yung base mo, wala ka nang malandingan. That's ganon. I cannot lose my political base. It's very important for a politician, wherever it is, in other countries, you must have what you could call the bailiwick, and usually that is your political base. You're a governor of this canon, you're a city mayor. Ang problema nga si Inday, nagsibat-sibatan. But I'm sure that somehow she will connect and go out of respect. Usap na lang kami sa telepono. I do not think that she would also hindi niya sagutin yung tawag ko. But I had a talk with the PDP first. If I show my face there sa Comelec on the 15th, I will be filing the certificate for the presidency. It's obvious. I'm supporting, even if I'm run or I do not run, I'm supporting Pacquiao. Number 1. Then Lacson. Then Serge Osmeña. Then si Subiri, si Romualdez, Romulo, because he's a Romulo. Name recall.
Si Inday daw, Mayor, apil daw sa senatorial line-up ni mo.
Si Inday?
Inday.
Inday, hindi magtrabaho yan. Ayaw nga magtrabaho ng gobyerno. I'm offering her the mayorship nga eh. Sabi ni Inday, lusot mo lang yan para magtakbo ka. Sabi ko, hindi, Day. Yan, text ko kay Bong. If Inday agrees to run for mayor, I am retired after this term. And I have said that in public, and I will honor it. Pag si Inday ang tumakbo ng... My worry is only Davao City. For me, let me just state it plainly. This country does not really need me. And I do not. There is no need. I do not find the need in the presidency because the PDP has to come up as a party. Kailangan may kandidato. I think somebody is filing also. Ako kaya yon? Yeah. Do not bet on it actually. All options are on the table, but do not bet on it. In a scale of 1 to 10, maybe if I run for the president, it's just 2. 8 is I stay as mayor. 7 or 6 is if si Inday mawala yung bakukang sa ulo niya, so he decides to run, I will retire. That's what I told the people. I will retire and I will do it. But I will be there to fight for Mindanao.